In this video, we're going to look at how to manage the payment terms. So again, from setup and maintenance, go to setup, financials, payables, and you want to go to manage payment terms. Ensure that you've selected the correct scope for your business unit, and then go in and select manage payment terms. So what I'm going to do now is select my payment terms, just immediate. And this is the one I want to use, and I just want to add my set to it. So the set that I have is my Acme set. Add my Acme BU set to it, using it for my immediate payment terms. So save and close. And you can also create your payment terms: net, monthly, immediate, 30 days net. So let's add this to ours as well. So let's add 30 days, Acme, save and close. And I'm going to add another one, another set assignment, Acme, save and close. Do one more for 60 days. Acme. And let's do end of month, pay by end of month. Acme, save and close. So that's how to assign your payment terms to the reference data set. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.